Many ships are lost eternally, with no light to guide them to the safety of the shore. They go down forevermore beneath the unforgiving ocean's roar. Only light can save them. Will you shine again tonight? Lead them safely through the night. Shine on, shine on, through the darkest night. Shine on, shine on, shine on, till the morning light. Shine. Though your warning often goes unheeded, though there are still many lost at sea, let your light so shine for the few who seek to find their way to safety from the deadly undertow that lies below. Those who seek will follow, safely to your shore with a light they can't ignore.